Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
मोलेच्या बेकायदेशीर चिरेखणीचे प्रकरण हायकोर्टान बरेच सिरियस घेतला. बुधवारा सुनावणे वेळार कोर्टान खण खात्याच्या कारभाराचेर तिडक उक्तायली. प्रकरणाची खण खात्यान चौकशी करची आणि खण सचिवान तातूंत स्वता लक्ष घालून चौकशीचेर नदर दवरची म्हण कोर्टाचो निर्देश.
Now the court has said that despite these complaints of the month of April, no action was taken by the concerned person in the department. And the court was not satisfied with the action that was taken by the department. Therefore, the court has said that insofar as the Department of Mines is concerned, there has to be some sort of a investigation, and it is to be found out as to who is responsible for this lethargy and delay. The court has accordingly directed that the mine secretary should inquire into these lapses of not responding to the complaints and not taking action insofar as this illegal laterite quarrying is concerned.
अदमास केल्यार फाटली 4-5 वर्सां मोल्या वाठारात चलपी बेकायदेशीर चिरेखणींतल्यान कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे चिरे काडले. मात खण खात्याचो आवाज ना. आता खणींतले सांगाडे कोर्टान उस्तूंक सुरू. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.